Class Maths. Today we are going to do practice questions in block 17. Open your reader, class work. In reader, page number 125 open. Open page number 125. First question, fill in the blanks. A bit. Anju jumped 6.23 meters in a long jump competition. The distance in centimeter is dash. See children, 6.23. This you have to convert in centimeter. I'll show here children. First fill in the blanks. 6.23 meters you convert in centimeter. So you are converting meter to centimeter. That means bigger to smaller unit. So bigger to smaller unit. What you have to do? You have to multiply. How much you have to multiply? 10 into 10, 100. So into 100 is equal to 62300. After 2 digit point is there. So you have to write after 2 digit point. So 623.00 centimeters is the answer. Now B bit. A bullock cart travels a distance of 3.25 km in 1 hour. The distance travelled by the cart in 2 hours is dash. See what you have to do children. Here you have to 1 hour 3.25 kilometers is travels. In 2 hours how many kilometers will travels? You have to multiply here with by 2. So A bit. Now B bit. 3.25 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 3s are 6. After 2 digit point. So after 2 digit right point. So 6.50 kilometers it will travel. 6.50 kilometers. Now C bit. Dash millimeters is equal to 1.245 meters. Dash millimeters is equal to 1.245 millimeters. 245 millimeters. That means how will find the answer children? You have to convert 1.245 meters to millimeter. 1.245 into how much? Meter to millimeter. So you have to converting bigger unit to smaller unit. So again you have to multiply 1.245 meters into 1000. How much? 1000. 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are 1000. So is equal to 1.245 into 000. After 3 digit point 1 2 3. So here 1245 into 1000 is equal to 1245000. After 3 digit 1 2 3. 3 digit point. So here meters. So 1245.000 millimeters. Now this dash centimeter is equal to 10.08 meters. Again you convert meters to centimeter. Here meters to centimeters. D1 10.08 into meters to centimeter. Bigger unit to smaller unit. So you have to multiply how much? 100 is equal to 100800. After 2 digit point 1 2. So 1008 centimeters. 1008 centimeters. Now E bit. dash meters is equal to 10.50 kilometers. Kilometer you convert in meters. Kilometer you convert in meters. Bigger unit to smaller unit. You have to multiply 10.50 into how much you have to multiply? 10 times a 100, 100 times a 1000. So 1050. How many more 3 zeros you have to add? So after 2 digit point, so 1050, 500, 10,500.00 meters is the answer. Open your classwork. Write heading block 17 length. Practice questions page number 125. Date 22/1/2021. First bit, fill in the blanks. I showed no children that you have to complete the first bit. Second bit, convert. What is the first question? A bit, 5500 centimeter. You have to convert in dash meters. This centimeter you convert in meters. How will convert, children? Centimeter to meter. That means smaller unit to bigger unit. 5500. What you have to divide? How much you have to divide? Centimeter to meter. That means 10 tens are 100. 100 you have to divide. So cancel 0, 0, 0, 0. 55 is the answer. So in blank you write 55 meters is the answer. Okay, now B bit. 30 meter is equal to dash kilometer. 30 meter is equal to dash kilometer. How will write, children? 30 meters is equal to dash kilometer. Meter to kilometer. Meter to kilometer, that means you have to divide smaller unit to bigger unit. So 30 divided by how much you have to divide? 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. So 1000, 0, 0 cancel. So 2 zeros are there. So after 2 digit, write the point. So 03. 30 meter is equal to how many kilometers? 0.03 kilometer is the answer. 0.03 kilometer is the answer. Now C bit. 850 millimeter is equal to dash meters. Millimeter to dash meters. Again smaller unit to bigger unit. So how much you have to divide? 1000. So 850 divided by 1000. 0, 0 cancel. After 2 zeros are there. So after 2 digit, write the point. So what is the answer? 0.85 meter is the answer. Now D bit. 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter you convert in meter. Centimeter to meter. Smaller unit to bigger unit. Centimeter to meter. How much you have to divide? 100. 10, 10. 10 into 10 is 100. So for 20 you have to divide 100. 0, 0 cancel. 1 0 is there. So after 1 digit, point. So 0.2 meters. 20 centimeter is equal to how many meters? 0.2 meters. Next E bit. 8000 millimeter is equal to dash meters. So 8000 millimeter you have to convert in meters. Millimeter to meter. So again smaller unit to bigger unit. So how much you have to divide for 8000? Divide by 1000. 0 0 0 0 0 0 cut. So 8 meters is the answer. Next, F bit. 5540 meters is equal to dash kilometer. Meter to kilometer. So meter to kilometer. Again you have to divide smaller unit to bigger unit. 5540 divided by 1000. 0 0 cancel. After 2 digit write the point. 5.54 is the answer. 5540 meters is equal to how much? 5.54 kilometers. Okay, next Z bit. 5 kilometers 350 meters is equal to dash kilometers. So this here different units are there, children. 5 kilometer 350 meters. So what you have to do, this 5 kilometer first you convert in meters. 5 kilometer first in convert in meters. So kilometer to meter. Kilometer to meter. So bigger unit to smaller you have to multiply. For 5 you have to multiply 1000 plus 350 meters. 5000 meters plus 350 meters is equal to 5350 meters. 5350 meters. Now we convert in 5350 meters. This you have to convert in kilometers. Meter to kilometer. You have to smaller unit to bigger unit. You are converting, no? So you have to divide. Divide 5350 divided by 1000. 0 0 cancel. 535. After 2 digit write the point. So 5.35 kilometer is the answer. 5.35 kilometer. 5 kilometer 350 meters means 5.35 kilometer is the answer. So children, you have to explain till Z sum. So H I J K L M N O. These all sums. Do it as homework. Third bit, multiply. A1 25 meters 34 centimeter by 7. 25 meters 34 centimeters multiply by 7. 7 4s are 28. 8 here 2 carry. 7 3s are 21. 22 23. Right here 3 2 carry. 7 5s are 35. 36 37. 7 3 carry. 7 2s are 14. 15 16 17. So answer is 177 meters 38 centimeters is the answer. B bit. Here 113 meters 4 centimeter by 12. Children, here 113 meters, then 4 centimeters. Meters after centimeter is given 4 centimeter. So meter to centimeter, one more digit is there, children. After meter to centimeter, after meter decimeter is there, afterwards centimeter. So here only 4 centimeter is given, no children. So you have to add 0 here. You have to add 0, first 0, then you have to write 4 centimeter, then you have to multiply. Okay, meter to centimeter, 2 digits are there. So here only 1 digit is given, so you have to add 0. Okay, then you multiply. After multiply, I got 1356 meters 48 centimeter. Now C bit, 47 meters 89 millimeter by 10. See, 47 meters 89 millimeters. Children, after here meter to millimeter, how many digits should be? 1 2 3. 1 2 3 meter to millimeter, but here only they given 2 digits. So what you have to do here, you have to add 0. So 47 meters 089 millimeters, okay, by into 10. Multiply 0 into 9 0, 0 into 8 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 7 0, 0 into 4 0, 1 into 9 9, 1 8 is 8, 1 0 is 0, 1 7 is 7, 1 4 is 4. So answer 470 meters 890 millimeter is the answer. D, E bit you do it as homework. Fourth question, divide A bit 8 meter 75 centimeter divided by 5. So meter centimeter divided by 5. After dividing, I got 1 meter 75 centimeter is the answer. Now B bit 9 meter 24 millimeter by 10. See, meter to millimeters. See, meter to millimeter, 3 digits should be, children. Decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, 3 digits should be. But after meter here only given 2 digits. So what you have to do? You have to add 0 before 2. So 10, 9 millimeters, 0 to 4 millimeters. 9 meters, 0 to 4 millimeters. Divide, children. Divide it your own. Afterwards verify the answer. Check your answer. Okay. I hope you understood. Complete your classwork. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.